Hello everybody! Before you watch this video, make sure to check out our two new websites. Links will be down in the description below and enjoy our video.
What is convection?
The transfer of heat in fluids is called convection. Example, sea breeze and land breeze. Convection occurs when particles with a lot of heat energy in liquid or gas move and take place of particles with less heat energy. Heat is transferred from hot places to cooler places by convection. Liquids and gases expand when they are heated. In the daytime, the air near the land gets heated up by the sun. So this air becomes light in weight and rises upwards. But the sea takes longer to heat. So the air near the sea becomes cooler and heavy in weight. This cooler air travels towards the land to take up the place of the hot air. And the hot air travels towards the sea to take up the place of the cool air. In the night time, the land cools much faster than the sea. So the air near the land cools and the air near the sea heats up. The cooler air travels towards the sea to take up the place of the hot air, and the hot air travels towards the land taking up the place of the cool air.
Applications of convection.
An air conditioner is installed high up on the wall so that it cools the warm air that rises up. The cool air becomes heavy and travels down, setting up a convection to cool the room. A room heater is installed at the bottom of the room to heat up the cool air. This warm air heats up the cool air above the room. Chimneys are installed above the stove so that the smoke and hot air that rises up are flown out and cool air enters. Exhaust fans are also installed up in kitchens and bathrooms so that it let out hot and stale air so that cool and fresh air can enter the room. And so much more applications of convection are present in our daily life.
Disadvantages of convection.
Can push dust around the home, excavating allergies. Heats the air, which means opening window will lose heat much more quickly than radiant heat.
Experiments.
Hello everybody. The materials required for this experiment are two papers, incense sticks, candle, rubber bands, and a box with two holes on the top and covered with transparent sheet at the front. First, fold the papers into a cylinder and fasten it using the rubber bands on the both sides. One here and one at the bottom. Insert the cylinders into the holes. Ensure that the cylinders are 1 to 1.5 centimeters inside the holes. First, lit the candle and open the flip and place the candle bottom of one of the cylinders here. Suppose I place the candle bottom of this cylinder and close the flap carefully. Make sure that it does not burn anything inside. Lit the incense sticks and place it somewhere top of the cylinder and make sure it is not the cylinder which has the candle on bottom of it. Now observe clearly what happens if I put the place this incense sticks on top of this cylinder. Observe clearly. You can observe that when I place this incense sticks on top of the cylinder which does not have the candle, the smoke goes upwards. But when I place it on the other cylinder which has the candle bottom of it, you cannot clearly see the smoke and the smoke goes down. This is convection. You can clearly see that when I am placing the incense sticks just above the cylinder which does not have the candle below it, the smoke is clearly traveling upwards. But if I place the incense sticks just above the cylinder which has the candle below it, you cannot see the smoke clearly. This is happening due to convection.